Like, no. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Kiana here, and today I have another Boxycharm unboxing. I have 5 new items to show you guys. But first, let me start off by saying Boxycharm is a subscription company where you can get 5 full-sized items for $25 a month, or you can upgrade. But this right here is a $25 a month box, the base box. But Boxycharm gives me with these boxes for free monthly, and I'm so grateful for that because Boxycharm is like the best way to discover all these different products, name brands that I've never even heard of. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. This month's theme is Dare to Dazzle, and in the box we have this OPV Beauty Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. It is $40. I'm gonna open it later. Next in the box we have KVD Beauty Dazzle Stick Eyeshadow. It is $22. Then we have Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. It's $34. If I pronounce that wrong, oh well. Next we have Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. You guys know I love stuff with the lips. But this goes for $19. The last item in the box is a Brow Bar by Reema Duo Brow Highlighter, $16. So now that everything's out the box, I'm gonna try it on. The first thing I'm gonna try on is this Dual Brow Highlighter Pencil. So it says, star in your next bright-eyed moment with this 2-in-1 highlighter featuring a velvety cream finisher and another with a touch of diamonds. Your new secret weapon for effortlessly brightening your brows and eyes. The world is your stage. So, okay, drop that. Ah! Okay, so that's how it looks. What color is this? It's a matte concealer. It's also matte. One side is a matte point for a softer blend, and then the other is a shimmery finish to highlight under the brow and brighten. So, which side is which? So this is supposed to be the shimmery side, and this is the dull side. So let me do my brows a little bit first. This, I'm actually using the Revolution brow pencil. I think it's only about like $8 at Ulta. Alright, let's see what this is about, the dull side. This goes on so smooth. I'm just blending it out. Look how clean that looks. Okay. I hate when there's like a halo around the eyebrow, like that effect. I don't like it. I like to really blend in my concealer when I do underneath my eyes. Some people like to leave it on. I think that looks so tacky. So tacky. If you guys are wondering what I'm looking at, I have like 2 mirrors here, and that's what I'm looking. I'm looking at myself. Yeah, like I see the little like halo underneath. Just gotta blend it out really well. Okay, that works for me. That actually looks good. So now for the shimmer side to highlight underneath the brows. Oh, okay. Okay. Then I'm just gonna smooth that out with my finger there. It's a go for me. I like it. This is 7 out of 10 only because at some point I'm probably gonna have to sharpen this and I'm lazy. I'm just being honest, but like I'm so used to the liquid concealer, get my beauty blender, blend that out, and I'm done. But this goes for $16 again. Yeah, on to the next one. So next I'm going to try on the OPV Beauty Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. It says, the diverse array of shades ensure your look stands out, featuring the essential matte shades to create depth, from subtle golden shimmer all the way to bold blue metallic, and the possibilities are endless. Created with all skin tones in mind, the formula is smooth, buttery, and highly pigmented. And again, this goes for $40. Alright, so this is how it looks on the outside. And then, oops, let me remove that cover. And these are the colors here. First thought, I was thinking like for summer it would be brighter colors in a June box for Dare to Dazzle, but they do have a lot of like colors here that have some shimmer to it, so I guess that's the Dazzle. Add some razzle dazzle to my eyeshadow. So I never know what to do with my eyes. Like, the one thing I want to mention is the colors, the names of the colors on here. I like them, like Dazzle Night, All That Sparkle, Dirty Martini, Exposure with an X, Deep Plug, Exhibit. Like, it's different. So Limelight, like, it's different. So I am gonna go in with, I think I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna go in first with Glimmer here. Oh, I like this. This is highly pigmented. Like, this goes on so nice. Let's see if they all blend well. Next, I'm gonna go in with Edge. Is that Edge? Nope. Next, I'm gonna go in with Star. Oh, and unrelated, I know people are gonna ask where I got this hair from. This hair is from Beauty Forever. It's 3 bundles, well 2.5 because my head's small, and a closure. So if you guys want, just let me know and I'll leave the link below. More Dazzle, right? Gonna use Show. Just going back in with the first color, just on my crease. And I'm gonna go in with Exhibit, just in my inner corner. the eyeshadow look I came up with, this Spotlight palette. Very like on the spot, spontaneous, but these are the colors again. I like it. This I give an 8 out of 10 only because I'm not into the glitter and the sparkle and all that stuff like that, and it does have majority, but I get it because it's called Spotlight, but that's the only reason why. Other than that, it's highly pigmented, they're easily blendable. I say go for it. Again, the price is $40. So put that away. On to the next one. So what do we have next in the box? So next we have the Touch and Soul makeup palette. This is very pretty. I like the front and the back. This is like a mirror back here too, so, but it also has a mirror inside. Okay. Yeah, what? So basically this is how it looks on the inside. It says it's a multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. So, let's see. I guess. You know what? Instead, I don't even, it's not doing anything for me. So I'm just gonna swatch them on my finger. So this is this one. So I decided to swatch them on my hand instead. They're very pigmented, very bright, but on my face, like blending them together, they don't seem to do much. But yeah. These are the colors. Again, this is $34. But yeah, I wouldn't use this again. I don't know, like the purple, like no. Visually, they're all gorgeous, but on my face, I probably won't use it again. It's just too light. It's too light. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm not like into highlight anymore. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. But it's okay, I guess. Next in the box is the Dazzle Stick by KVD, Kat Von D. So I already have eyeshadow on, so I probably am not gonna try this on, but I will swatch it for you. Ooh, this is so pretty. But I'm gonna swatch it for you guys on this hand since. Oh. It's like what? I don't know why I did that. This is in the color Hail Surge. Nice and pretty, velvety, smooth. Not sure why it like did this when I put it on, but oh well. Anyways, this goes for $22. Just place it right over the eye, easy application, like if you're on the go. I love like easy on the go like makeup products because it makes my life 10 times easier. So, but anyways, the last thing in the box is the Aceology Lip Mask. This lip mask is here to give your lips that extra smoochable edge. This miracle worker will resurface your lips, boosting hydration and leaving them soft, supple, and smiling. Again, this goes for $19. Now I'm going to try it in one. This is how it looks outside of the box. They even have their Instagram and their Facebook on the back of it. And it tells you instructions to use. Apply a generous amount to lips prior to sleeping, upon awakening, and wipe with damp cloth to remove. And it says use weekly for optimal results. So it's just clear. Smells like coconuts. Oh. I love anything that smells like coconuts. This smells so good. 10 out of 10. I love anything that makes my lips nice and soft and shiny, like it's a quick to go. Ooh, it has this like little tingling feeling. I like it. I like it a lot. That was the last thing in the box, so that means this is the end of this video, sadly. But next month I'll be back with a box for July, so stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching. Bye.